What's up, everybody? This is Select Hobby. Pick your team number 4. Fourth box from our Hobby Direct case. This is your Burrow. This is your Tua. This is your Herbert rookie year, and much more. Let's go, Bernie. Good luck, everybody. I'll do my best. Here we go. Ace deuce or higher. We're going 8. Good luck, everybody. 8 times. There we go. On the name list. 1. 32 is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and final. 8. There's the name list. Good luck. There's your name list. Good luck. Here come the teams. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and final. Good luck. 8. What's up, Patel? There it is. 8 times. Let's see who got what. Let's see. There's your list. Let's see who got what. Did we get you good ones? All right, 718 Titans, Patriots, Dolphins, 718. Dolphins. Oh, I did Zach dirty. Damn it. I don't ever mean to do you guys dirty. Good luck. Who got what over here? We'll go pack by pack. All right, so Bengals, Malacca, I see it. Chargers for B. Brock. Dolphins for 718. Packers for JT Fan. Zach, who did you get, Zach? Who did I give you? Oh, Browns. Lions got DeAndre Swift, the former Lion, and Jets. LaMichael P. Ryan, James Morgan. Cousin Tua would be good too, absolutely. He's my cousin, 718. That's my cousin. Good luck. We'll go pack by pack. We'll go pack by pack. Let's enjoy. Good luck. Here we go, McCaffrey. A.J. Dillon for the Packers. Aaron Rodgers on the former snapshots. Silver. Thomas Davis club level. And Lambjack for the Ravens on the base. Here's Ayuk for the Niners. B-Brock. Kirk Cousins. Rookie selections. I pulled this guy so much back in 2020. That's Cole Kmet for the Bears. Laurel. Silver. Darrington Evans for the Titans. I don't know if he even has a team right now. 718 on the silver club level. And Saquon. Pack 3. This one feels a little thick. This one feels a little thicky. Fitzgerald. DK. Blue club level. Ooh. Ooh. Nice Denzel Mims for the cough on a blue club level. And we have something behind it. It's a swatch. It's a swatch. It's a 75. It's a Lockett for the Seahawks. No, it is a patch auto. Didn't we see him earlier already? Lockett on the patch auto for Moses. And there's T. Higgins for the Bengals. T. Higgins for the Bengals. Mims was 4 of 75 on the club level. This was the first year they introduced the club level parallel in Select. All right. Be a big rookie auto or something here. Come on. Pack 4. There's a P ride for Jakoff. CJ Ham. Silver. Ooh. Colors look good. Well, Jakoff, you said I gave you bad and I'm hitting you all the colors. Nick Chubb for Zachary Jakoff. Adam Thielen, the former Viking. And there's a James Morgan for Zachary Jakoff. Wow. Zachary Jakoff is murdering. Just not in a good way. Sorry, Jakoff. Yatir Gross Matos. J.K. Dobbins. Not going to mention him. Silver. Zeke for the boys. And Gronk. What is happening? Austin Jackson for the Finns. Jake from State Farm. Red. It's a Juju on that beat. Red for the Steelers. Concourse. Silver of KJ Hamler for the Broncos. Malacca. Field level. Zach Moss, field level for the Bills. Zach Moss. Jordan. All right, that first half was... We didn't hit much in that first half. We got to heat up here. We got to heat up. All right, next up, we still have a patch and an auto. Yo! All right, there we go. McFarland, Steelers. And Cephas, Maroon. It's Prescott for the boys. JT Fan on the Maroon. Silver of Polomalu. Base of Gibson for the Commanders. TJ. Marlon Davidson, silver. Saquon on a third-year Saquon for the Giants. Silver club level. Come on, field level. Come on, let's see an arm. Let's see an arm. Let's see how sharp Hama is. This is it's a receiver. Raider, I think. Definitely not sharp. Phillip Rivers. Come on. Set us up for something big. Jonathan Taylor. Stafford. Pace. Silver of Van Jefferson for the Rams. Base of Okuda for the Lions. Wow. I tried. I did. I definitely did. I was making sure there was no headset. We don't want the Mike Vrabel. We don't want that. So I had to make sure there was no headset. Because he had a headset and he was holding a clipboard, I think. All right, we got to see something in these 3 packs, guys. Come on. All right, there's a Raider we don't mind. Edwards. Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. Sparks patch. It's Russell Wilson for that Seahawks country. He's riding. That didn't make sense. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos, silver. And Isaiah Coulter. All right, we still have an auto. Don't panic. Yeah, no real Raiders, Ellie. No real Raiders. All right, come on. Jacobs. I don't remember the field levels offhand. Cedric Willis. Gold. Ooh. It's Jordan Fuller for the Rams. Yes, Alex Stone. He's real. 8 of 10 on the Jordan Fuller gold for the Rams. Silver of DeAndre Swift for Zachary DeKoff, who said I did him dirty. And there's a Jordan Brooks for the Chickens. Dude, Backer paid like 30-something for this case, from my understanding. This came in on a big pallet the other day. We don't have any FOTL. That was my favorite too, I won't lie. That was absolutely my favorite. Alright, we should have an auto in this last pack. Good luck. We do. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Chubb. Not going to mention his name. Tricolor. Claypool. Tricolor. Nice. Our auto. It still could be. No, Chargers would be lighter, right? Colts. Don't be Jacob Eason. Be Jonathan Taylor. Don't be Jacob Eason. Be Jonathan Taylor. Nice. To 35, it's a white of Jonathan Taylor for the Indianapolis Colts and Ryan B123. Nice hit, B23. And then we did end on a Herbert Premier Rookie. We didn't have an RPA on that one, Dan. It was Lockett. Our patch auto was Lockett. All right, the Jonathan Taylor was nice. That was about it, really. B23 with a nice hit, though. That saved it a little. No QBs. Nice Claypool at the end on the tricolor concourse there. Guys, number 5 is going to hit next. So if you guys want it, it's in the store. Take it. Everything's shipping, guys. Yeah, that was a little rough box. I won't lie. But that's why I feel like this is a Hobby Direct case, guys. If you guys don't know this, if you guys wasn't here yesterday, it's Hobby Direct. It's Hobby Direct. These cases are usually insane. Usually. Recap. I'll put up number 5 next. It's in the store. Alex, we're actually underpriced on this. I can't give any deals on it, brother. If you do want to take it, just take it through the store, though. It would be, it'd be 90 times whatever. Nice white Jonathan Taylor, though. Sick on that 34-35 for B23.